Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your location on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of Glassdoor's features and manage your profile settings. Now look at the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, click directly on your name. This action will take you to your personal profile page where all your account information and settings are stored. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down through the sections until you locate the location field. This is where Glassdoor displays your current registered location, which affects the job recommendations you receive and helps employers understand where you're based. Having an accurate location ensures you see relevant job opportunities in your area and makes your profile more useful for potential employers. When you find the location section, click on the text field directly below it. This will activate the field and allow you to edit your current location information. You'll notice your existing location is already displayed there, ready to be modified. Next, delete the existing location that's currently shown in the field. You can do this by selecting all the text or simply backspacing through it until the field is empty. Once you've cleared out the old location, type in your new location. Make sure to enter it accurately so that Glassdoor can properly match you with relevant job listings and company information in your new area. After you've entered your new location, click Save. The system will process your changes and update your profile with the new location information. This ensures that from now on, all the job recommendations and company reviews you see will be tailored to your new area. And that's it. You've successfully updated your location on Glassdoor, and your profile will now reflect your current area for better job matching and networking opportunities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.